Hello everybody and welcome back to THMOTO. I am your host TH Thunderhips. We're leaving Taco Bell. Just like always, starting our journey off by leaving a Taco Bell. A little ironic, I'm going to get a breakfast burrito right now on a Taco Bell. I do love Taco Bell and I like their breakfast. I don't love it though. There's better breakfasts. So I'm leaving Taco Bell to go get a burrito. And I'm very excited. I usually get a breakfast burrito once a week. Did not last week. So I'm very, very forward to this. I'm going back to the place that I used to go when I lived in a little bit different part of town. Don't go to too much anymore since I don't live in that part of town anymore. So I'm pretty stoked. The name of the place is Gerardo's, and their breakfast burritos are absolutely phenomenal. So excited about that. Then I'm going to work. Also excited about that. Get to see some of my favorite people. Get paid to hang out with them and help people who don't want to help themselves. Always fun. So I'm also very excited. Oh, that was terrifying. I didn't know that was a pest control vehicle. I just look over to my left. There's a giant black widow in the back of a car, and I don't like spiders. I don't like spiders at all. One of the few things that I'm just admittedly terrified of. Do not like them. One of my coworkers has a black widow tattooed on her arm, and it gets me every time. I have to look away because it's creepy. I am oddly fascinated by them as well, but I do not like to look at them for too long. It just gives me the heebie-jeebies. Was I going to say, I am very excited for a video of mine that is going to come out, let's say soon. Probably in a couple of days, of me riding through the twisties. I did that this morning, and I'm going to make it into, I think, a few different videos, or at least 2 different videos. I was on my bike for almost an hour straight, and that's just too much for one video. So I think it's actually pretty well separated. I think it took me like 20 minutes to get up there, 20 minutes to go through, and 20 minutes back. We'll have to see how that goes, but I'm so excited. The video of me weird. My phone disconnected, but we're back. Luckily I had a stoplight there to figure out what the heck was going on. But yeah, there wasn't much talking in me going through the twisties because I was concentrating on what was going on. Also enjoying the view. It's actually gorgeous, an absolutely gorgeous part of the Las Vegas area. Yeah, I'm excited to show you all that. But right now, I'm focused on getting a burrito. A lot more comfortable on the freeway. Try not to get too comfortable, but just little things like making eye contact with that white SUV that was in the middle lane to make sure that they saw me and they knew that I was probably on their lane. So they stopped accelerating and I started accelerating to make a pathway to get into the fast lane. I would have been absolutely terrified to do. I don't know, like a week and a half ago, maybe even like a week ago, honestly. But just try not to get too... It is, I think, objectively scary going this fast a couple feet above the road with nothing to protect me. I don't think you should feel comfortable doing this. You gotta respect it for what it is, but it is also fun. Audio just disconnected again. Super fun. Anyways, I've lived in Las Vegas for like 30 years now and been to a lot of different Mexican spots. And I think I've rotated through quite a few. This one's been my favorite for a very long time though, Gerardo's. I'm very excited to have one of their breakfast burritos. Not affiliated with them in any way. I just thought you should know. If you live in Las Vegas and you have not got a Gerardo's breakfast burrito, you are missing out. And if you ever come to Vegas, it's worth the trip off the strip. Gerardo's breakfast burrito. A lot of people coming on the freeway, trying to move past people's blind spots. Landscaping truck, the brakes. It's fine, I will go around you. I hadn't planned on it. I was gonna go in to eat, but I think I'll go through. Maybe I'll just go in and get it, and then put it in my backpack and then go to work. I'm kind of running out of time. I don't want to be rushed. I'm trying to enjoy my breakfast burrito. I would like to eat without having to worry about whether or not I'll take it to go, take it to work, and show other people how amazing it is. All jealous. Let's see, all these people U-turning to go into Starbucks. I guarantee there's, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14 cars here. I guarantee at least 10 of them are turning around, making a U-turn instead of a left turn. Because... Oh, so far fewer than I thought. That's unfortunate. I was kind of counting on that because I need to get to this lane to turn left. That's okay. We can just pass this car really quick. Oh, I can smell you already, breakfast burrito. Can't wait till you're inside me. Wait, that was weird. Sorry. I was talking to the breakfast burrito. You get it. And go. Alright, well, here we are, Gerardo's Tacos, to get a burrito. To get TH's burrito. Thanks for coming with me on my journey to a better morning. I hope to see you all again soon. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you all have a wonderful day. And take care of yourselves. Peace.